Hey guys, this is Amjaved with another tutorial of how we can use nested if statement or function in Excel, which means that there will be if statement within an if statement, and there might be more than one if statements within an if statement. Well, bear with me if it seems confusing at this point in time. Now, in the last example, we used only one criteria, and there might be situations when you need to add more criteria to get to the required results. Well, start writing your if statement. And at this point, it seems exactly what we have done in the previous example, except the one change in the true or false output criteria. It was excellent and good in the previous example, but now in this example, we certainly want to appreciate the sales agent who achieved their targets of generating sales. So, before starting the third argument of the if statement, we can use another if statement as an argument of the first if statement. And remember, every if statement has three arguments which needs to be applied. So, this time I add another criteria that says the sales agent who got 7,000 and more in sales will be appreciated as excellent. Now here you can see that the two argument of the second if statement has completed. And if we want to add more criteria, we sure can by adding another if statement within the second if statement and so on. Here I am speeding up the process of writing the nested if statement. Anyhow, here you can see that I have added 4 if statements within the first if statement. And every if statement is the third argument of its previous if statement. And here you can see that I have used less than comparison operator with the last if statement, which means that those sales agents who have made sales less than 3,000 are actually trainees or newly hired sales agents. Now, close the if statements by putting the closing parenthesis and then hit enter. A small correction in the popping up image is the is equal to sign that needs to be added with the very last comparison operator. If it won't be used, then the value 3000 will not be included in the formula, as this comparison operator is less than the 3000. So to include the 3000 figure, we have to add the is equal to sign with the very last comparison operator. Anyhow, after hitting the enter, just double click on the cell handle or just drag it down to copy the formula down. And here you can see that the sales agent A made sales more than 9,000 and he will get some promotion. And the rest of the sales agent got their appreciation according to their performance. And you can see those sales agents who made less than 3,000 are being considered as trainees even when they are with the company for many years. Normally it doesn't happen. Well, let's say they are freelancers and whenever they got some work they need to be trained. That's why they are being considered as trainees. Now if you want to see what exactly is happening within the formula, just make some space by dragging the formula bar down and press Alt plus Enter before every if statement to create a new line. Here you can see that all the if statements have broken down into separate lines. And now you can see and understand it clearly what actually is happening in the formula. Now here you can see that it's saying that if B2 is more than 9,000, then give that sales agent a promotion. Exactly the same way, if the B2 is more and equal to 7,000, then give him an appreciation accordingly, and so on. And just hit enter to turn off the editing mode. And here you can see that these two agents are still being considered as trainees even when they are with the company for many years. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.